On to our top focus this hour, viewers. Rhea Chakrabarti will be summoned yet again today by the CBI at the DRDO guest house. This is the fourth day of her questioning, viewers, by the CBI. Even as the investigation gathers more steam, ED is too likely to interrogate Goa hotelier Gaurav Arya for his alleged drug chats with Rhea as well. It is important to know that he arrived in Mumbai yesterday. In fact, we had also confronted him while he was en route to Mumbai, where he did state that he's being framed and he had not met Sushant ever. And the last time he spoke to Rhea Chakrabarti was in 2017. But all eyes will be on both the CBI headquarters, that is at DRDO, where Rhea Chakrabarti will be summoned once again. In fact, this will be the fourth day of her questioning. And ED too will interrogate Goa hotelier Gaurav Arya for his alleged drug chats with Rhea as well. In fact, we'll also be joined by my colleague Piyush from Mumbai, who's been closely tracking all the developments. But it is important to note as to how trouble is certainly mounting for Rhea Chakrabarti, as she has been summoned yet again on Monday, that is today, for the fourth time. In fact, the CBI, for the third consecutive day on Sunday, questioned Rhea in the case of the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. In fact, she has also been questioned for over 9 hours on day 3. And going by the details that we have gathered here on Republic TV, CBI is questioning her about the financial angle as well as the alleged drug chats as well. In fact, the investigators again asked Rhea about her claims of Sushant suffering from mental illness as well. Let's go across to my colleague Piyush, now joining us live for more on this. Piyush, certainly a big day today. Apart from Rhea being summoned for the fourth consecutive day, we're also expecting that is Gaurav Arya to be called in by the ED for questioning as well.
Well, absolutely, hotelier Gaurav Arya, who reached Mumbai yesterday, he's going to play a very key role as far as the drug connection role is concerned, the drug connection in the Sushant Singh case is concerned, because, chats had retrieved, and since after that, ED, which is probing the case, had also gone to his residence in Goa, to his hotel, in fact, in Goa, where they had pasted a notice in which they sent out a summon to hotelier Gaurav Arya by saying that he has to appear before the agency, before 31st of August. And looking at that, today he is in Mumbai, and at around 11, what we are learning is that he will be at the ED office. So indeed, certain developments are now going to take place. If we talk about the line of investigation at the part of CBI, CBI is in touch with the NCB team also, and they are trying to come up with a strategy as to how they are going to investigate into this drug connection. On the other side, CBI is also grilling Rhea Chakrabarti relentlessly. We know that for the last 3 days she has been grilled by CBI for 10 hours, 7 hours and 9 hours respectively. This somewhere tells us that how CBI is trying to connect all the dots, not only Rhea Chakrabarti but other people who are also connected in this case, be it Siddharth Pitani, Simon Miranda, many other people in this very case are being grilled. Yesterday we also saw that how Shruti Modi had also reached out there. So as far as this connection is concerned, what we're learning today that at around 11 a.m. ED has sent out summons to Gaurav Arya, and he will be reaching there at around 11 a.m. Moreover, the office of NCB is very much near to ED, so there are chances that NCB officials are also keeping their close eye on all the developments. There are chances that even they might also move forward to have some sort of investigation in this very case. We'll have to see that how CBI, ED and NCB are going to connect the dots. On the other side, if we talk about the strategy of NCB, it has alerted all its informers across Mumbai to connect each and every dot, because they are trying to collect information. There could be other people also linked to the case, and that's why looking into it, they are trying to reach out to each and every informer so that they can unearth each and every each and everything as far as this entire case is concerned. Now we'll have to see how these agencies are going to jointly investigate the entire case. CBI and NCB officials are already in touch. On the other side, ED has summoned Gaurav Arya, and what we're learning that he will be reaching at around 11 a.m.
In fact, apart from this aspect, Piyush, we're also expecting all the key players, Rhea Chakrabarti, Siddharth Patani, as well as Shouvik Chakrabarti, to again be questioned because there are several angles emerging. There is a drug angle, then there is another mental health illness angle that Rhea Chakrabarti continues to peddle even in front of the CBI investigators. In fact, yesterday as well, Siddharth Patani has been asked whether he supplied drugs to Rhea. So at this point, we are expecting that constantly Rhea Chakrabarti as well as the other key players will be questioned on various angles relating to the death of Sushant Singh Rajput.
Well, absolutely, it's the fourth day. Remember, it's the fourth day when Rhea Chakrabarti has again been summoned, which somewhere tells us that CBI is going to unearth each and everything in this very case. And that's why it's the fourth day when the accused number one, Rhea Chakrabarti, has been summoned. For the last 3 days, she has been grilled thoroughly, where CBI officials are focusing on the drug angle, the kind of transactions those have taken place. And also, we know that ED on the other side is also investigating the money laundering case. So there are certain things on which CBI right now is focusing on, but the biggest thing is a drug connection, because today it's going to have some sort of impact on the investigation of CBI also when Gaurav Arya reaches there, because we know that how the chats had retrieved between Gaurav Arya and Rhea Chakrabarti. But on the other side, it is also very important to highlight that yesterday.
All right, Piyush, so at around 11 a.m. is when we are expecting Rhea Chakrabarti to arrive at the DRDO guest house. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. Thank you so much, Piyush, for getting us all these updates.